Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building something cool, something perfect for road trip lovers and Lego City fans as well. It's Lego 60454 Holiday Campervan. If you love tiny builds or family camping vibes or just cool Lego vehicles, this is for you. Alright, so here's the front of the box. Pretty cool animation, the campervan at the back. Around the campfire, the real camping vibe. So this set comes with 385 pieces. You guys can see the father, mother and the baby, and also the fire pit stuff. So this thing comes with 3 minifigures, of course, father, mother and the baby, and fire pit, some accessories, of course the vehicle. The back of this box, it's pretty cool. Hey, so all the details inside the vehicle is there. The coffee machine, of course, if you live in Australia, coffee is a must. And also the breakfast stuff and the beds of everyone. All right, I'll quickly open this one for you. So as you all saw, it comes with 4 bags and of course a sticker set and the booklet. There you go. So it's pretty cool, pretty thick, but small in size, and of course the Lego booklets are the best. All right, then let's get into it and see how cool is this build. Alright guys, after the bag number 1, I think I built the base of the campervan. That's pretty cool, nothing fancy. You see, you got the side openings here and pretty much the full base. And also, I got the daddy minifigure and the campfire as well. That's bag number 1. Let's move into bag number 2. Alright, again, number 2 bag is done. If you guys can see, it's the next layer of the base and also the front cabin area. Pretty cool. Nothing extra difficult. It's just a perfect build for your kids as well. Alright, now let's move into number 3. Alright guys, bag number 3 is done too. So now things getting a bit interesting as well. So this side panel is done. I had to stick few stickers. Not only that, there are a few interior stickers as well. So it's basically the next layer, driver side wall and stuff. So one more bag to go. Wait until I finish the 4th bag and let's do a quick wrap up. Alright guys, everything's done. Okay, check out this campervan design. It's fantastic. Look at this one. How cool is that? Check the campervan. The first time I have seen this type of sunroof in a Lego car. That's pretty cool. And it has big chunky wheels with the wheel cup on it. That's pretty nice. And also it comes with 3 minifigures, as I told you before. Mom, dad and the kid. That's pretty cool, and the toddler, and also the accessories like campfire, chairs, and sort of a table. And also, if you guys can check, the back of the van opens to reveal what's inside. That's cool, right? So there are a few space for minifigures here, the beds. And the toilet area, you can see the toilet door can open and close. Pretty cool. And also you can remove the rooftop whenever you want to check inside. So there are plenty of accessories inside the coffee machines. Yeah, hot dog maker. Simple but effective storytelling items to play. And also if you check the driving area, you can see the coffee mugs on the dash, and also space for the driver. Very cool. And the final verdict is, it is easy, satisfying build for a quick Lego fix, and great for young kids and parents build together. This is a fantastic model, I'm pretty sure, and nice accessories which enhance the play value. And also the most important thing is this is a budget friendly as well. I bought this one for 29 Australian dollars from Kmart. I think the Lego store is more like 49 bucks or something, I can't exactly remember. And but what could be more, what could Lego could add more for this one? I thought some sort of a traveling map sort of thing would be a great addition to this one, and also just a little bit more interior details would be handy, if you guys get what I'm saying. So the overall Lego 60454 camper van set is a fun compact set which can play, and you can do whatever the customization you like on this build. Also great as a gift, budget friendly, and the most important thing is this can use as your Lego City diorama part. How cool is that? I will give this set like 8.5 out of 10 for what this set offers. Considering budget friendliness, accessories, minifigures, and play value. So let me know what you think of this set in the comment section. Would you add this set to your Lego collection? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe me, and hit the bell icon for the more builds in future. Alright, thank you for watching guys. See you with another video soon.